Okay, we're here at the world famous Clown Motel. Woo! I am hoping this is the same one that is supposed to be haunted. I have no idea. Warning, this property is protected by killer clowns. Warning, some graves are open ahead. Vampires are in the office. Well, I gotta go in. Well, it can't be all bad. They've got a Ronald McDonald clown in there. Okay. Oh, wow. Is that a graveyard? Ooh. I missed that. I'll be back. I'm in the ghost, or the clown hotel gift shop. Ooh. Now there's a creepy looking guy. Some artwork by little kids. Wow, look at this graveyard. It's right by the Clown Hotel. Oh, poor thing. Baby. Now, guys, there's no way I can walk all this thing. You have to be picking me up out in the middle of the field out there. Oh, wow. Etta Hager, age 27, tuberculosis. Wow. I can't see how he died. This John Hill, age of 44, died of heart failure. That guy right there, Nick, died of a mine fire. Ooh, that must have been terrible. Now this guy's from Ireland. Goes way back there. It's another one that died in a mine fire. Mine fire over here. Mine fire. Holy moly. I'll walk down this aisle. I guess the historian people, history people, yeah. I guess they were the ones that put these little signs up, who they were. A lot of people from Ireland here. Goes on and on. Okay, well, I can't walk any further. I'm sorry, guys, but you got to see it anyway. That's something. I'll be back later.